Roast my store, Jenny Artscraft. I like getting the trash ones. That's what I like. Where's the discount? How am I supposed to know what Jenny looks like? Where's the about us? Where's the things down here? Why is there no about like bullshit down there? Don't use ones with white backgrounds. Don't sell a sewing machine because it's an electronic thing. It doesn't really make sense. Don't do a price of 25.00. It looks bad. Do a 9.5 or a 9.9 or a 9.7. Let's shit on this some more. I mean, let's help this person more. That title ain't the best. Go look at your competition, bro. Like, I can't give too much game about titles because like, I do a lot of specific stuff. Is that ChatGPT? Better not be, because that's the lowest effort fucking ChatGPT description I've ever entirely. What is this shit, bruv? Bro, think about it. Think about it like this. Think about it. I have a good question. This is the perfect example of a product. Okay. That description of the sewing machine does not fulfill me with confidence. Roasted. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.